In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted data in Google Workspace administration. If you've accidentally deleted important data or need to recover user accounts, this guide will walk you through each step so you can get things back on track without breaking a sweat. So let's dive into the process one step at a time. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Workspace. This is the main hub for all your business needs and where we'll start our journey. Next, you're going to want to click on the Admin Console. The Admin Console is essentially the control center for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace account. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Make sure to use your business email to sign in, then click Next or Sign In depending on what shows up on your screen. It's important to remember that only users with appropriate admin permissions can perform these operations, so make sure you have the necessary access rights. Once you're successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it and from the drop-down list, select the admin icon. This will take you deeper into the administrative features where the real work begins. Now, you're going to want to navigate to the directory by clicking on it. The directory is where you manage user accounts and can adjust their settings and permissions. Once in the directory, move to the users section by clicking on it. This is your go-to section for everything related to user accounts. Here you'll see the list of active users. To find any users who've been recently deleted, you'll need to click on More Options. This extends your view to additional features and settings. From here, click on Recently Deleted Users. This is where Google keeps any users who have been deleted recently. Keep in mind, data generally remains recoverable for a limited time only, usually about 20-30 days. So this process should be done as soon as possible for optimal results. Once you're in the Recently Deleted Users section, you'll have the option to recover these users. Click on the users you wish to recover, and you'll be given prompts to restore them. Follow those prompts and your users will be reinstated to your Google Workspace. And that's it, you've now successfully learned how to restore deleted data in Google Workspace administration. It's always best to double check that the users and their data have been fully restored and are back to their original state. If you run into issues, Google's support resources are just a click away and can provide additional assistance if needed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your data safe and secure.